Hey everybody, we are back with another case study. I think these are so important because this is the nitty gritty. This is the real life results of what happens when you actually talk to people. So today, Hanifa is going to break down a fourplex wholesale that she did. It's going to be bananas. Check this out. I am Brent Daniels. This is
Hanifa
Brown, and we are here doing a case study. So let's break this down. Let's jump right into it. So this is a wholesale deal that was done in Phoenix.
Yes.
Phoenix. Okay. So give us some details on this property.
So this property was located off of Taylor.
Yep.
Just about 24th Street, south of the 10
Yep.
freeway.
Yep.
It was a fourplex deal. 600 square feet approximately for each unit, so about 2,400
Yep.
total. 2-bedroom,
Yep.
1 bath in
Yep.
each unit.
So this is important to note. So the reason she's going through this, and just if we could write some of that out. First of all, targeting multifamily, guys. Target multifamily. It is so critical that you are targeting after these tired landlords that own multifamily properties because they want to sell. They're tired of it. These are beat up. These are in rough shape. These are properties that over time, typically with multifamily, people don't really keep putting money into because they just want to pull the cash flow out of these properties. So it's a great, and you've seen me talk about it on the videos before, but it's a great list to go after. So 2 beds obviously get more money than just a studio or 1 bath or 1 beds. So you can get more from them typically because you could get more in rent.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah. What was the condition?
So it was not good at all. I mean, total trash. There were holes in the ceiling, some squatters in the unit. So, you know, definitely opportunity. You had to come in at a good price in order to see the opportunity there. So that's exactly what we did.
So this is a cold call. You talked to the owner. What was the deal with the owner? Like, why was this property in such shambles?
Okay, so the owner was in Washington. It was a deal that was out of state. It was in a very poor, broken down neighborhood. Like I mentioned, there were squatters in the unit, just not good condition whatsoever. So there was definitely the motivation to get out of this deal.
So he just let it go. I mean, he just forgot about it. He didn't have tenants in it. There was no leases.
No tenants. It was vacant.
So he just
outside of the squatters.
See, these are the best deals. I'm telling you, and especially if you're using the Driving for Dollars app, the Deal Machine app. Remember, use TTP for a code there. Use this app. It is not this. I know it sounds like an app, but it is so silly not to. Just use the app to get all the information. You're driving by these properties. Just click it, get the app, TTP, boom, you get a discount, and then you have the owner's information. Then you can call them.
Nice and easy.
You call them.
You get the deal. Hello?
You get the deal.
You persuade them.
Right. So this guy's out of state. How did you, what did he want for it? Initial contact?
So initially he wanted $125 for it. So threw out $90. And we ended up settling at $100K.
See, do you
so
like
this
that?
is the deal. This is the deal.
It was $125,000. She threw out $90 because you want to anchor low, right? Maybe send some pictures of what the property currently looks like. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Just take some pictures with your phone. You don't even have to go into the property if you don't feel like it's safe, right?
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
So you take some pictures from the outside. You send those to the owner. You say, hey, listen, I don't know if you know the condition it's in now, but it's really, really rough. Because of the investment that needs to go into it, we got to anchor this thing low. We got to get the price low. You went at 90, which is $35K difference, which is a huge difference in percentage.
You never know unless you throw it out there. You know, real estate, everything is negotiable, especially for a property that has opportunity like this. You know, it's in bad condition. Throw it out there, see what sticks.
So 100K deal.
Yep.
How do you get a out-of-state owner to sign a contract?
That's super easy, Brent.
Okay.
So obviously there's a fantastic thing called the internet, right?
Oh, okay.
There's
I've
a
heard of it,
platform called DocuSign.
DocuSign.
Yep. So basically we just sent the documents via DocuSign. That way he could sign over the internet via email. Super easy deal. We had a mobile notary that was set up with a title company. They sent the mobile notary out. That way we could get everything signed, sealed, and delivered. So.
See, that's the advantage. If you really partner well with a really good escrow officer, they have they're going to take care of all of documents, all of the signing, all the paperwork that you need to do to transfer title. Just have a really good escrow officer and put them to work. They are part of your team. They're like an employee that you don't pay like hourly. It's incredible. Okay, so when
Squats are coming in handy.
When you're sending out all of the documents via DocuSign, then you turn it into title. Title then gets the paperwork ready, sends it to wherever they're at, Washington in this example.
Yep.
So you never met with this person. You never had
met him.
It was just all over the phone.
Yep, it's all about opportunity. So
yeah. So and then so 100,000.
Yep.
What'd you put it out? What'd you sell it for?
You'll never believe this.
Yeah, I will believe it.
No.
I will believe it.
Made 140K. I mean, made 40K on the deal. Sold it for 140.
Sold it for 140K.
Hello.
$40,000 deal, one phone call on a tired landlord multifamily list. This is important.
Hello. We're in the business of making money, so
Yeah.
stick with this guy. He'll show you how to do it.
That's right. That's right. Well, $40,000 on a multifamily deal is pretty typical. We average about $35,000 in my business because there's such big spreads. There's such big demand for multifamily that people will basically pay retail minus the cost to fix it up because they want to keep these properties.
Precisely.
These typically aren't flips.
Exactly.
These are people that want to keep it in their portfolio, which you work with a lot of people that buy and hold these properties, right?
Exactly.
How often are they hitting you up asking for opportunities?
Every single day.
Every day.
I have people who are like, as soon as you get something, send it to me, send it to me.
Yeah.
This is a hot commodity.
Yeah,
So
yeah, it really is. I mean, multifamily is absolutely on fire right now. So make sure you get after it. Make sure you anchor low. Make sure that you don't let anything stop you. Don't let somebody being out of state stop you. Don't let crackheads running loose stop you. I mean, if it's a really, really rough property, that's where we make the money because it's really, I mean, they have to do something with it. They either have to sink a ton of money into it or they have to sell it to a cash investor. That's it.
what you gonna do?
What you
Make the money. That's what you're gonna do, right?
All right, guys. Well, please comment down below if you have any comments about the way that this is broken down. If you have any questions about that Hanifa or I could answer, make sure you comment down below. Subscribe, hit the little bell thing so that you get notifications when any of these hot videos come out. Until next time, guys, I love you. TTP.
Bye.